First, remove the side cover panel of the generator to access the internal components. Next, remove the front control panel cover by releasing the fixing bolts and disengaging the retaining clips carefully. Open the air filter cover and remove the foam air filter element from inside the air cleaner housing. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two mounting nuts located inside the air filter box. After removing the nuts, pull the air filter housing assembly outward and remove the gasket behind it. Now carefully slide the carburetor out from the intake studs. Disconnect the choke control cable from the carburetor assembly. Next, open the fixing motor cover and remove the mounting screws securing the fixing motor assembly. Carefully remove the entire fixing motor unit from the carburetor area. Using needle nose pliers, compress the fuel hose clamp and slide it backward along the fuel line. Disconnect the fuel hose from the carburetor inlet. This allows the carburetor to be removed smoothly. Prepare the new carburetor for installation. Remove the protective cap from the carburetor fuel inlet port before installation. Reconnect the fuel hose to the carburetor and use the needle nose pliers to reposition and secure the hose clamp firmly. Reinstall the fixing motor assembly by aligning it with the mounting base. Align the groove on the carburetor with the fixing motor mechanism, then rotate it into the locked position. Reinstall and tighten the fixing motor mounting screws securely. Route the fixing motor wiring harness neatly as shown to prevent interference during operation. Align the fixing motor cover with the retaining clips and press it firmly into position. Now reinstall the choke cable. Loosen the retaining bracket and release the choke cable fixing point. Turn the 3-in-1 switch from the stop position to the run position before installing the choke cable. Pass the choke cable through the designated hole and secure it using needle nose pliers. Reinstall the fixing screw. When installing the carburetor, make sure to route it away from this wire. Carefully slide the carburetor assembly back into position. Install the gasket with the wider side aligned to the carburetor locating hole. Reinstall the air filter housing and tighten the two mounting nuts securely. Reinstall the foam filter element and air filter cover in sequence. Make sure the notch on the foam filter aligns correctly with the notch inside the air filter housing. Align the clips on the air filter cover and press firmly until fully locked. Reinstall the front control panel cover by aligning all retaining clips properly before tightening the fixing bolts. Insert the carburetor drain hose back through the hole in the bottom plate. Finally, reinstall the side cover panel to complete the carburetor replacement process.